Hello, today we'd like to present to you our project Elevate. During the COVID times, we all have come across the situation of feeling lonely or depressed. Many of such things, many of our outside environment has influenced our mental health and we were all prone to depression. This was predominantly seen in America, where a study showed that 3 out of every 5 Americans were felt lonely or depressed sometime during the pandemic. Especially in India, people refuse to go to therapy or visit the psychologist. This they do thinking about their self-esteem and becoming embarrassed. So we wanted to provide a solution wherein people can access and get help for all their mental health issues and become happy again. For this, we created Elevate. Elevate is an innovative solution which uses AI and ML to give the best solution to all people who suffer from mental health issues. Our app works in 3 ways. One, it uses video stream and facial recognition to recognize the emotion of the patient. It uses some questionnaires to ask the patient and figure out what's in his mind. And thirdly, we are also planning to implement a psychoanalysis so that we can provide the doctor with a comprehensive report and give efficient help to the people who are in need. Aravind, please continue.
Thank you, Sonus. So I hope everyone got a brief idea of what Elevate is. So myself and Adithya is here to demonstrate the website which we have developed during this hackathon. So Adithya, can you just share your screen?
Yeah, I'll be sharing my screen right now.
Yeah. So now it's visible, Aditya. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is our landing page for Elevate. So as you guys can see, we have created a Magma theme for this as the UI. And Aditya, you can scroll down and show the features of our website. So as Sonus previously explained, we have a doctor interface, a patient interface, as well as the AI ML model which we made using Keras and TensorFlow models. And now let's dive into the main features of the website of this app. So Aditya, you can go ahead.
Yeah. So basically, the register and the login buttons will be dedicated for the doctors who will be using this to get the results of their corresponding patients. And what we aim to achieve is also an anonymous communication where the doctor need not actually identify who the patient is by their name, which for people who face self-esteem issues is very useful. So basically, yeah. So basically, what happens is the doctor hands over a unique code to the patient in order to start a session. So when a patient comes in, he basically goes to the check-in section, and in the check-in section, he has to enter his patient ID, which could be something like his email ID, and then a unique number that only he knows and which is shared to him by the doctor. And soon after that, he starts the session. And this is one of the one of the most important pages of the website, mainly because this is where the analysis happens, or the data for the analysis is collected in this page. As you can see a live webcam here, capture here, which is actually capturing my data. It's actually capturing the emotions that I am showing right now. So, and then we have this questionnaire. So what the user has to do is he has to basically answer these questions, and these questions have been taken off a research paper that actually is based on how we can predict depression from expressions while answering certain questions, and these are those questions. So Aravind, you can continue while I
yeah. So right now we have demonstrated a few questions here so that the patient who is suffering from a mental distress or trauma can just go through those, and through these questions the model analyzes his emotions and generates an output which is his exact emotions, like maybe happiness, neutral, etc. So Actually, after going through these questions, he can press the end session button, where he will be redirected to the landing page. So with this, the output will be output will be generated by the model. So Aditya, you can just show how the
Yeah.
we have used a sample test case here, so that Aditya can show that.
So as you can see, within one session, the model has been able to collect about 919 instances of what the user has gone through. And I have, for now, we have just made a part of the code that actually shows us the type of data we have been able to fetch. And it's taking a while. Yeah, so this is the type of data. It's varying across the different questions, and we'll be noting down across which questions and for which user is this set of expressions.
The latest studies also show that apart from our regular emotions, there are a set of micro emotions which are not recognizable by the naked eye. But by using our AI software, we can even capture those emotions and provide an efficient and effective report, and also provide access to psychologists to patients irrespective of their location or their demographics.
So that's it about CLS, about our project Elevate. And for our future plans, what we plan to implement is basically two more models which will be able to predict depression from the textual answer given, and then based on the tone of the person.
And also in the future, we can implement and provide these outputs to the correspondent psychiatrist or psychologist, so that he can analyze the patient and provide the best solution as well to him. And in the future, we will be implementing all these features. Right now, with this limited time, we have developed the model, as well as generated a perfect UI. And also, I hope everyone enjoyed it, and we will be implementing in the future if we get the proper and appropriate resources. So I hope we can conclude, Aditya and Sonus. So
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure
okay.
thing.
So I hope everyone likes the project and enjoys the project. So thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you.